juin, juillet, not Juliet, like the English speakers will always call it. We have juillet and août. Now, there is a little twist from September. The spellings are almost the same, just a little change. We have c'est Uzodorine et aujourd'hui, je suis ici pour vous apprendre les jours de la semaine. Hello, good morning. Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. My name is Uzodorine, and today I'm here to teach you French. Bonjour, bonjour, je m'appelle. Alors, nous allons commencer par les jours de la semaine en anglais. We are going to start writing the days of the week in English. Then afterwards, we'll look at them in French. Now we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. As we already know it, we have 7 days of the week. Nous avons 7 jours dans une semaine. Alors maintenant, on va épeler les semaines, les jours de la semaine en français. Nous avons lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. Now, we are going to take that gradually in English. We have Monday, pronounced as lundi, lundi. We have Tuesday, pronounced as mardi. We have Wednesday, pronounced as mercredi. Thursday, jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Saturday, samedi. And Sunday, dimanche. Now let's take it again in French. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, et dimanche. Now we are going to move on to look at the months of the year, qui sont les mois de l'année. Now we have 12 months in a year. Nous avons 12 mois dans une année. Aujourd'hui, on va rencontrer les mois de l'année. Now we are going to first write them out in English, which is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and finally, December. Now, these are the months of the year in English. Now, we are going to meet them in French. And January, we have janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août. Now, before we enter September, I would like us to take from January to August. We have janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, not Juliet, like the English speakers will always call it. We have juillet and août. Now, there is a little twist from September. The spellings are almost the same, just a little change. We have septembre, octobre, novembre, Décembre. Now, looking at it, we can find out that instead of ER, in French it becomes RE. So you find out that you can write the months of the year in French. When you get to September, they're almost the same. You just change the ER to RE. Now let's take it again. We have septembre, octobre, novembre, and décembre. Now let's take it all over again from January. We have janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, et décembre. Thank you for staying tuned. See you next time. Thank you.